Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day right now. We are getting some volatility in the market right now, and we could be actually looking at going down to lower levels. Right now, I just drew this quick descending channel, and it could be a bearish continuation pattern. So we could, I don't know if you guys saw, but like Carl from the Moon too, he's a very good, he has a really good TA, and he actually said like we are in a giant head and shoulders pattern, but usually I don't like these that much because, and when they're on an angle, not that much too either. Like yeah, there's your head. Sorry, that's your shoulder, your first shoulder. That's your head, and then that's your second shoulder. So there you have your head and shoulders. And if we break down, he's saying we could go all the way down to 33,000 around this area. I don't know if that's gonna happen. That would be a really big drop. Right now we're actually breaking down at 48,000. So if we break this small channel that I drew right here, we could keep going down. We made lower highs and lower lows, so it's not looking too good. And wow, look at that. We're testing the support right now. Okay, yeah, so I decided to make a video right now. I didn't expect to look at that, but I don't think the dump is over. We only have one green dot on the 4-hour, and the momentum waves we've seen before, they can dip way lower than this, so this could technically just keep going. And wow, look at that, 47,600. We are falling down right now. Okay, I think I saw some people enter some shorts in the chat after I posted this. Yeah, this could be a short opportunity. Maybe we'll jump on it, maybe not. It might come back up. Might be like one of those fake outs, right? Always dips down and goes back up. So we'll see. We are hitting Fibonacci retracement levels right now. So that's the Fib level 1, and then if we go down, the technical target, like the golden pocket ratio, or the ratio that hits most often, is 1.618 or 0.618. So if it does go below this, maybe we could just start falling down to 40,000. So that would be interesting to see. I'm not selling any of my long-term holdings. I'm still holding Bitcoin. I do have a lot in US dollar tether, and a lot of it is in cash because I am seeking opportunities to purchase Bitcoin at lower prices. And people always say like, oh, don't do that, it's never gonna work out. But as like a trader, yes, you could always purchase at lower levels. All right, it could always retrace it could always come back down, and it's always good to have some cash on the side because you never know. And yeah, so I also wanted to mention too, like, guys, cash flow before crypto. Like, don't put all your entire paycheck into crypto and then lose it on a leverage trade all at once, and then you have no money left, because that would be really bad. You have no money left. I see some people saying like, I get my paycheck next week. Maybe allocate like what you can afford to lose. Don't put it all in. Never go all in on one trade. Even if you're 100% sure, maybe you'll do a little more. Maybe do 60% of your trading account. Then you could go do a nice big leverage trade on that. But I don't recommend going all in on one trade. And yeah, some people are asking me if they should buy Bitcoin at these levels, like with no leverage. I'm actually waiting right now. I'm waiting for a daily green dot again for me to purchase some more. I purchased at 50,000 here. Now we're below, sure, but I'm accumulating as we go on these small green dots. So that's my strategy right now. And also we can't forget that the SP 500 and the stock market, there's really big inflation fears, so it's kind of dragging everything down. Like, we can see everything's kind of like in the red today, except for bank stocks. So as inflation fears grow, people think that rate hikes, like interest rate hikes, are going to come sooner than expected, which can cause gold, silver, scarce assets to depreciate in value, because rate hikes are coming, right? And they think that they can raise interest rates to fight inflation, but I don't think that they're going to be able to do that because of the insurmountable debt levels that have been have just been raising. They just keep printing money. They can't service this debt when it comes to fruition. It won't be possible. This is my opinion, right? It has yet to come true, so we will see what's gonna happen. And let's just go over to our long-term chart. So this is the Bitcoin stock to flow ratio. Right now we're technically still on track. This would be invalidated if it can be invalidated if, let's say, it just drops down to 5,000 and we go from there from a year, then there you go. Then the stock to flow model is invalidated. But we could be looking at something like what happened in 2013, where we go up a lot and then we come down, consolidate for months, and then have a huge run up at the end of the year and meet the target of 100,000 that people are saying. But if we do that, we're going to overshoot it. We could actually go to 300,000, 400,000. But that, I think, is, as numbers get bigger, people sell. There's these huge psychological levels where people will sell at 100,000, 150, 200,000. People will sell at these big round numbers, and they're going to front run it, meaning they're going to sell it not at 100,000, they're going to sell it maybe at 90,000. They're going to front run it by $10,000 or $5,000, right? Because they want to get out before everyone else gets out. Because if everyone else is looking at the same chart and the same price, then they're always going to sell before everyone else, right? So that's called front running. And then we could look at the other stock to flow model. So this is another one too, and they're basically kind of all the same. We're still on track. We're just consolidating right now. And we have to also look at where is it? There we go. The Bitcoin dominance, it's been dropping so much. So it's natural that we also see Cardano and all the other altcoins explode today. It's up 17%. It's almost at $2. This thing was at 2 cents in March. This is a bad chart because it's a contract. This is the contract on Femex. So I don't know if they had it listed in March. We actually look back. Let's just go to the days. Yeah, they had it listed in March. So, oh no, they didn't. Never mind. So this is 2020. I'm thinking March 2020. They only started listing it on September. But you can see after the contracts came in, its price went up like crazy. And wow, Bitcoin's at 47,300 now. Look at that. Cool stuff. All right, we're just gonna keep an eye on that for today. And don't panic sell, guys. If you can't handle a 20 to 35% drop in crypto, then maybe it's not for you, right? Because I bought this stuff a long time ago, and then I bought it again in April, and it's not easy to see your account go down so much, right? If you watch your balance go down 10% in a couple of days or a week, and you can't stomach it, and then you panic sell, and then it goes back up 20%, and then you FOMO back in, and it goes back down and up and down and up and down. And my friends are telling me they keep FOMOing in and then selling low and buying high, and that's not the way you do it. That's not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to buy, hold, just forget about it, do other things. Go outside, go see some friends. Right now it's difficult to do that because of COVID and everything, but just play some games, go for a walk. I go for a walk once a day. I like to get away from my screen. I don't want to be on my computer on my chart all day long. As fun as that would be to just look at my account and look at the balances keep going up and down, it's fun, but I don't want to do that all day long. It's unhealthy, and it's no point of trading and making so much money if you're not going to be healthy, right? You have to have a healthy lifestyle. And if this keeps going, let's see, where's the hourly close? In 24 minutes, this could be just a wick down, and it fakes everyone out, and people who enter shorts here could get stopped out at these levels, and then come back down again for another test, and then fake out again. But we'll see. Yeah, people are asking me to comment on the Elon the Elon tweet, he could do whatever he wants. He definitely moved the market, that's for sure. But you know, if you used Market Cipher, you could have anticipated this, right? This thing had a big red diamond right here. We made some huge gains yesterday. Congrats to everyone who took the short with me. And if you're still holding your short, good for you. I exited my short around the $49,000, $50,000 level because I just didn't want to pay that many funding fees. And wow, I've been talking for 10 minutes now. Anyways, I don't want to make the videos too long, and because people might get bored. And yeah. Anyways, everyone have a wonderful day. Thanks for the likes and subscribes. We're at like 125 subscribers now. Thank you so much for the support. You guys are awesome, and I hope you guys make a lot of money. Have a wonderful day. Peace.